Hi everyone, my name's Duncan and welcome to my digital bubble. Happy Monday. It is another week working from home. I feel like every day at the moment is merging into one. And over the weekend, I was really getting a little bit homesick. I'm missing London life. I miss my friends and I miss just the life that I forged myself down there. So I was thinking about it whilst watching BBC Click, and they're talking about this new app called Houseparty. So I thought, why don't I download it? I can reconnect with my friends in this new kind of social distancing digital era that we're going through, and to see what it has to offer. So let's download the app and come to my house party. Okay, so I am currently on the App Store and I'm just searching for Houseparty app, and it takes you to this kind of welcome screen where it gives you a bit of an overview of the app. So you can invite apparently up to 8 people in a house, basically, a virtual house, and you can share everything from what's on your screen, you can have a conversation, you can play these really fun games. It really depends on what you want to do. It's like having, board games at your house essentially. So once you download the app, you get taken to this sign up screen where you put in all your details, so your email address, etc., your full name, create a username. So I've just gone for my name, which is the same as my other social media handles. You can add me if you want. And then you can connect it to your contacts. So you can connect it to your Facebook account, so all your friends are automatically kind of notified when you've signed up for the app. So I've just like blurred all my friends here for their privacy. You create your account, you put in your profile photo. I've gone for this snazzy number here. And yeah, basically you are all set up and ready to go. So just having a bit of an explore here. You can screen share, record a face mail, disable your camera if you want to. You can also lock a room. So for example, later on I'll show you, me and my friend Francesca played a couple of games and we locked our room, so it's just me and her who were able to play and nobody else could invite themselves. And then this is kind of like the list of different games you can do. So you have trivia games, super fun, you can draw, you can do so many different things. There's something called Chips and Guac, which you have to have 3 players minimum. And then there's this other game here where you kind of draw things. It's like charades essentially. And me and my friend Francesca played a couple games. So we played Heads Up, which is super fun, the kind of charades style game. And yeah, so here's a couple of clips just to show you guys what you can do. It was a whistle-stop tour of the Houseparty app. I'm really excited to start using it with my friends next weekend and to see what it has to offer. I just want to make things a little bit more interesting and fun whilst I am home, away from home. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do subscribe, leave me a comment, like this video. Don't forget to follow me on my LinkedIn, my Twitter, my TikTok, etc. And yeah, also let me know what you'd like to see in my next video. I'm, like I say, open to all suggestions, so let me know what you'd find interesting to see from me next time. And yeah, have a great week everyone, and take care. See you then. Bye.